Are you experiencing Microsoft Office installation errors? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to recover it. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Microsoft Office installations are usually straightforward, but software can sometimes throw errors. In this guide, we will look at some common problems and errors during Office installation and see how to troubleshoot and fix them. There are a few checks you should always make before any troubleshooting. Make sure you have an active subscription or an active license. You have not crossed the limit of the number of allowed devices for install. Use the same account to activate Office with which you made the purchase. Let's get started. Method 1. Uninstall Office for a quick fix. First, you should abort the installation, restart your computer, and try resuming the installation. If that doesn't work, use this easy fix tool to uninstall Office completely. Download the Microsoft Office Uninstall tool from Microsoft. Use it to uninstall the existing installation and reinstall Office. Method 2. Office is taking very long to install. If Office is taking a long to install or you are on a slow connection message, you can follow these steps. Open Task Manager and switch to Processes tab. Select Windows Update Standalone Installer. Right-click and choose to End Task. The Office installation should now resume and complete. Now restart your computer. It will make sure Windows Update process restarts and start doing whatever it was doing. For more detailed guide, follow this link. Method 3. Unsupported operating system error. You may have downloaded an incorrect version and when you try to install, you get this error. The best way to install Office is from office.com or products.office.com. You may have to uninstall 32-bit and reinstall 62-bit Office. Method 4. Stop. You should wait to install Office. It's a common Office error. It occurs in two scenarios. If you haven't updated Office to the latest version or when you have a standalone Office app that is already included in the newer Office suite of apps. To resolve this, you need to update Office by going to File, then Account, then Product Information, then choose to Update Options, then Update Now. The second option is to uninstall the standalone version of Office. Method 5. The install button doesn't install Office. If the install button is inactive or grayed out, you do not have an active Office 365 subscription. For home version, you can manually renew it, and for the enterprise, connect with your admin. Method 6. The dynamic library kernel 32.dll cannot be located error during Office installation. If you encounter this error, ensure that your Office installation is compatible with your Windows version. You need to download the right Office version for your Windows. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.